The Gigabyte Brix mini PCs feature AMD Ryzen 7030 series processors, which are based on Zen 3 architecture and 7nm node process, and offer high performance and efficiency for mainstream computing tasks. These processors range from the AMD Ryzen 7 7730U with 8 cores and 16 threads, to the AMD Ryzen 5 7530U with 6 cores and 12 threads, to the AMD Ryzen 3 7330U with 4 cores and 8 threads. All of them have a TDP of 15-28W, which makes them suitable for ultra-compact mini PCs like the Gigabyte Brix. The Gigabyte Brix mini PCs with AMD Ryzen 7030 series processors has several advantages over their Intel-based predecessors. According to Gigabyte, they can deliver up to 140% faster performance in multi-threaded CPU tasks, such as Cinebench R23, and up to 130% faster performance in GPU tasks, such as 3D Mark. This is because the AMD Ryzen 7030 series processors have higher core counts, clock speeds, and cache sizes than the previous generation Intel Core i7-10710U processors. They also have AMD Radeon graphics, which are more powerful than the Intel UHD graphics. The Gigabyte Brix mini PCs with AMD Ryzen 7030 series processors also have best-in-class connectivity features, such as superfast 2.5G LAN and Wi-Fi 6 modules, which enable faster and more stable network connections. They also have 4 ports that support 4K displays with HDR10, including 2 HDMI 2.0 ports and 2 USB Type-C ports with DisplayPort alternate mode. This gives users the flexibility to configure their environment without any limitations.